In this chapter, we will study about sources of energy. You might be using different types of energy every day. For example, for running the cars and buses, we use diesel and petrol, maybe cooking gases also, that is LPG, CNG. All these gases and all these fuels are used for running the vehicles. Now, if you look at this one another parts like solar energy, wind energy, energy obtained from oceans. So, there are other forms of energy also. So, now we are going to study here in this chapter different types of or the different types of sources of energy. So, now see, first we have to see what is a good source of energy. What are the things we keep in mind while selecting a fuel? See, while selecting a fuel, we have to keep in mind this thing is here, whatever the fuel we are using, does it produce enough energy on burning? So, it should produce enough energy on burning. Does it produce smoke? It means actually if it is producing more smoke, that is not considered a good source of energy. So, it should not produce more smoke. And third one is also, it is easily available. So, all these 3-4 factors whatever are there, we keep in mind while selecting good fuel. So, what are the properties of a good fuel? Yani good fuel, what the good fuel should have? So, first one thing is here, it should produce, first point is here, it should produce large amount of energy on burning. Very simple point is here, it means per unit mass energy produced by a fuel should be very large. It should not produce much smoke on burning. It should be easily accessible to everyone, so that everyone can use that source of energy, and also it should be economical and it should be easily transported from one place to another. So, these are some factors which we keep in our mind while selecting good fuel, and these are the characteristics of the good sources of energy. So, now we will see there are two types of sources of energy basically. One is conventional source of energy and another is non-conventional source of energy.